Do you agree with Simon Harris that immigration numbers are too high?
Well, I think, look, it depends in the context. I think we have developed a very fair and robust procedure in respect of those seeking asylum in the country. And we now work in common with the European Union member states in respect of that. The economy and society in terms of our various services do require people to work in Ireland, to come in and live in Ireland, work in Ireland, to continue to provide services and so on, and that's been positive. And I think from that perspective, migration has been a positive to the Irish economy, to Irish society. But I think the population is growing very significantly. There is a realistic debate to be had there, but that doesn't just relate to asylum seeking more generally. And I think any analysis, if you look at the infrastructure issue, if you look at any of our services, population growth has been the most significant factor over the last 2 to 3 decades looking at Ireland. I mean, if you look historically, it's been it's a positive, by the way. We're now nearly back to pre-famine population numbers. It's taken that long for Ireland to recover from the famine of the mid-19th century. And so I think we need a balanced and debate perspective about it. But certainly on the asylum-seeking front, I think there does need to be reforms there in terms of across Europe and across international law, and certainly our procedures need to be accelerated so that applications are dealt with more quickly, and they are. I mean, there's been very significant acceleration of the pace at which applications for asylum are sought and then dealt with. And it's very clear in terms of the asylum-seeking that what emerges from the statistics is that a majority would be seeking or coming here for economic reasons, not necessarily for the reasons that are outlined in the various legislation governing asylum.